Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to message on TikTok. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your TikTok account and then from your homepage, you can see at the bottom Inbox. Just tap on that. It will then direct you to this inbox page. Here you can see the people or account that you can message. You can also see right here the messages that you receive. You can now select the account that you want to send a message. For example, this one. So now just tap on the account and then right here you can send a direct message. Just enter the message that you want to send. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.